a WikiVidi documentaries production. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy. Finn Russell. Finn Russell is a Scottish rugby union player who can play standoff or centre, and currently plays for Scottish side Glasgow Warriors. Russell is set to leave Glasgow Warriors at the end of the 2017-18 season to play in France at Racing 92, where he is slated to replace All Blacks legend Dan Carter after Carter moves to Japan. In 2014, Russell had what Scottish sportswriter Andy Newport called a meteoric rise that saw the former Stirling County youngster blast his way into the national team in the space of 6 months. Amateur career. In 2013, he was part of the John McPhail Scholarship, in which he spent 15 weeks in New Zealand's South Island, playing for local clubs in the Christchurch area, benefiting from the state-of-the-art facilities and specialist coaching offered by the Canterbury Rugby Football Union International High Performance Unit. He was selected to play for Ayr after the IRB Championship tournament, in which he helped them win the league and cup double in the 2012-13 season of the Scottish Premiership. Russell has been drafted to Ayr in the Scottish Premiership for the 2017-18 season. Professional career. Russell was first picked up by Glasgow Warriors head coach Greg Townsend in the summer of 2012, after impressing for Falkirk and the Scotland U20s in the 2012 IRB Junior World Championship in South Africa. With Glasgow's top players away on international duty for the 2013 Six Nations Championship, Russell was named on the bench to face Zebra on the 10th of February 2013 as part of the 2012-13 Pro 12 season. He came on at the 56th minute to make his professional debut. During the 2013-14 Pro 12 season, Russell made his first start at the club, starting at inside centre against the Newport Gwent Dragons at Scotstoun Stadium on the 22nd of November 2013. Since then, Glasgow Warriors head coach Greg Townsend offered Russell a full-time contract with the club, which began in the 2014-15 season. 2014-15 also saw Russell play a prominent role in Glasgow Warriors' Pro 12 title triumph. In the final match of the regular season, his personal points haul of 22 contributed to the bonus point victory over Ulster needed to secure a home playoff. The following week, against the same opposition, Russell's extraordinary pass in the 75th minute sent DTH van der Merwe to touchdown and tied the scores at 14-14. Russell then stepped up to slot home the decisive conversion from a daunting position to send Glasgow into the final. In the final, at Belfast's Kingspan Stadium, Russell was again among the try scorers as Glasgow won their maiden title, also kicking 4 conversions in the 31-13 victory over Munster. International career. Russell earned his first call-up to the senior national team during the team's summer 2014 tour of North America. That autumn, he started in all 3 of Scotland's November tests against Argentina, New Zealand, and Tonga. Russell established himself as Scotland's first-choice number 10 during the 2015 Six Nations Championship, starting 4 of the team's 5 matches. He missed the defeat to Italy through suspension, his sin-binning against Wales having been upgraded to a 2-week ban following a citation. Russell scored his first international try in the final day defeat to eventual champions Ireland. Russell was selected in Scotland's 31-man squad for the 2015 Rugby World Cup, and scored a try in the team's opening match victory over Japan. The summer of 2017 began with Russell as part of Scotland's Southern Hemisphere tour. He created 2 tries in the opening match win over Italy in Singapore, and followed this with a try of his own a week later during victory over Australia. British and Irish Lions. Following an instrumental man-of-the-match performance for Scotland against Australia in Sydney, Russell was called up to the 2017 British and Irish Lions tour to New Zealand. Russell made a brief midweek appearance during the 31-31 draw with Super Rugby champions Hurricanes, as a head injury replacement for Den Biggar, becoming Lion number 35. Brought to you by WikiVidi Documentaries. Would you